Unlock your future. Top 5 Explosive IT Careers in 2024. Welcome to Tech Career Next Gen. If you're watching this, you're about to embark on an adventure into the future of work. I'm here to guide you through the top 5 explosive IT careers in 2024. Careers that are not just shaping our world, but are also paving your path to success. First up, cybersecurity. As digital guardians, cybersecurity professionals are more in demand than ever. From security analysts to ethical hackers, the digital world is your oyster, offering not just job security but a mission, protecting the digital universe. Next, cloud computing. The cloud is where the businesses live and breathe. With roles like cloud architects and DevOps engineers, you'll be the backbone of the internet, enjoying cutting-edge projects and the freedom of cloud. Third, AI and machine learning. Transform industries, innovate, and solve complex puzzles as a data scientist or machine learning engineer. The future is AI, and it's yours to shape. Number 4, software development. It's the art of creating. From building sleek apps to robust systems, developers are the architects of the digital age. With endless opportunities across sectors, your code can change the world. Last but not the least, blockchain technology. Beyond Bitcoin, blockchain is revolutionizing how we transact and trust. As a blockchain developer, you will be at the forefront of this technology, crafting the future of secure, decentralized systems. Are you feeling inspired by these game-changing careers? We can help you with that. We're not here just to share, we're here to engage, learn, and grow together. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out from videos like this. The future is bright, it's waiting for you. Let's unlock it together. If you want to know more about any of those topics that we talked about today, please let us know in your feedback and in your comments. We will make more videos based on your requests. Once again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.